This simple act is one reason Japan's canals look this clean. Dirty canals usually fill with algae, insects, and waste that slowly pollute the water. This man releases koi fish, not for decoration. Koi naturally eat algae and organic debris, helping keep the water clearer. But the real secret is, if this felt meaningful, like it, heart it if it reached you. Subscribe for more. As koi swim, they stir the canal floor, improving circulation and preventing waste from settling.